Good day. In this video, we are going to try and solve the 2022 Numeracy Pilot Assessment paper. It's called Use Maths and Stats to Meet the Numeracy Demands of a Range of Situations. The paper number is 32406. As you know by now, you need to get 3 different outcomes, 1, 2, and 3, to be able to pass this paper, and it is worth 10 credits. So without further ado, let's do question 6A. 6A sounds like this. So we are going to first visit Manawatu. The graph is not the actual graph because I cannot find the graph on the NCEA website, so we'll get the substitute graph. Okay. So Sophia is planning a trip to Port Vila, the capital city in Vanuatu, to visit her grandmother. Her only other trip was by plane was to Christchurch from her home city of Auckland. So this is Auckland. Auckland is here, and Christchurch is here. Okay, let me see where's Christchurch. Christchurch is somewhere here. Okay, this is Christchurch. Okay, so you need to know the distance between Auckland and Christchurch. Okay, and then we need to know from Christchurch, from Auckland to Vanuatu. So there are 3 locations. So we shall read further. Okay, so estimate the time for social direct flight from Auckland to Vanuatu. Use the map. Like I said, this map is not the actual map. I got it from another site. Okay, to get the actual site, so you measure here 1. So it will be 1 to around 2.6. I've measured before. So the distance between Auckland to Vanuatu is 2.6 times that from Auckland to Christchurch. So to calculate this, okay, we need to take 2.6 times and you multiply by, because the trip from here to here is 1 hour 20 minutes or 80 minutes in total, and you multiply them and the total is going to be 208 minutes. If you convert 208 minutes, it's about 3 hours. 3 hours is 180. 3 hours and 28 minutes. So that is the first answer for this paper. If you can get that right, you are going to get outcome number 1. Okay, so that is outcome number 1. In fact, the answers allow you to have any answers between 3 to 4 hours. So that is outcome number 1. So you got 3 hours and 28 minutes. So as I said, anything between 3 hours and 4 hours is acceptable. So now we're going to do question 6B. 6B sounds like this. Okay, we shall adjust the paper. Okay, Sophia needs to buy some money using New Zealand dollars. She looked up the exchange rate. So 1 New Zealand dollar is equal to 75 Vanuatu Vatu. So it's going to be New Zealand dollars. And then this is called Vatu or VUV. So to convert 1 New Zealand dollars to Vatu is $75. So it's going to be times 75. If you want to convert from Vatu to New Zealand dollar, you do the reverse. So you're going to divide by 75. So that is how the exchange rate is going to work. So how many New Zealand dollars will it cost her to buy 10,000 Vanuatu Vatu? So if you have 10,000 Vanuatu Vatu, you want to convert to New Zealand, you just take 10,000 divide by 75, and I've done the calculation before. It's going to be 133.33 New Zealand dollars to be able to get 10,000 Vanuatu Vatu. So in fact, the answers accept any numbers from $133 to $134, and that will be outcome number 2. Great. Now we shall do the last question, which is a bit of calculation involved. So bring out your calculator and let's do this. Okay. So Sophia reads that the cost of food is 10% cheaper in Port Vila, which is in Vanuatu, than in Auckland. Here is the table comparing the prices for some item. So what we're going to do, we're going to add everything in one currency. So in case it's for simplicity's sake, we're going to calculate all in New Zealand dollar. If you add 312, 706, 279, 330, 321 of all these items here, the total will come up to $19, New Zealand dollars, $19.48. Okay. Similarly, if you add all the same item in New Zealand dollars in Port Vila, 313 plus 625 plus 67 cents plus 333 plus 312 is come up to $16 New Zealand dollars, $16.50. So if you want to compare the price, we're going to take this number here. So $19.48, okay, divide by the price in Vanuatu, 16.50. You can't use a calculator and the answer is going to be 84.7%. So the question is food really 10% cheaper than Port Vila? Yes, because it is only at 84.7%. So it is about 15% cheaper in Vanuatu compared to Auckland. So that is how you argue your case, and hopefully you can be able to get again this option 3. If you can get it right, well done, and I'll see you in the next video, which is video number 7. Cheers everyone, and have a good day.